Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you guys can see my background, I just did a video for the blue and white Chinese tree. You guys should go and check that video out. I will be linking it in one of my tags on the top. Guys, today's video is part of an open collaboration, and this is the summer yellow tablescape. Guys, you could do the table any way you like as long as you incorporate somewhere the color yellow. Guys, I have never done a Tuscany tablescape, so I will be incorporating, combining two styles together. I want to try to do a Tuscany country tablescape. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I hope you guys like what I come up with. This video is for tomorrow, the 28th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, my video is gonna be on a premiere, so you guys could go and check out all the information, and you still have time to take part in. So, guys, I'm gonna take out my blue and white tablescape out, and I am gonna come back at you to show you what items I will be using in my next tablescape. And guys, I will be linking the host in the description box, which the host is Marlene's How To. Her co-hosts are Penny from A Penny's Place and myself, Deborah, Cabassa Home Living. Guys, I hope you guys go and watch the playlist. It will be in the host channel, which is Marlene's How To. I will link her channel here on the bottom in the description box, and we will watch the playlist together, guys. And if you want to participate in any collaborations, I have post some collaborations in my community tab, so feel free to go and check them out. And also make sure that if you participate in any of the collaboration, you subscribe to the host and the co-host channel. Guys, I'll be right back with a little bit of progress. Well, guys, as you guys can see, my table is clear, and now you see some things that I will be incorporating in my tablescape. I don't know if I'm going to be using, guys, get creative when you do a tablescape. This is a throne, okay? And of course, they have the plaque, so it could go as country. I'm also going to use this new charger that I have for quite a while, and I have not used them, so I'm going to be using this. Where did I got this from? Charger plate. I don't remember what I think it was from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree, but I think it was from Hobby Lobby or maybe Home Goods, one of those two places. So guys, all right, let's see what I come up with. And remember, it's gonna be country combined with Tuscany. So that means that I need grapes, I need some Italian decor or Tuscany decor. So I'm going to shop my home. This is all that I already have. I'm going to be shopping my home, and let's see what I come up with, guys. To be honest with you guys, this is getting a little complicated. So I mix my placemats. I have 4 of these guys, but then I got 2 more, and then another box in my basement, and I don't feel like going to my basement. So I'm mix matching these 4, and I have my grapevine runner. This right here took me about 45 minutes, believe it or not. I'll be right back with more progress. Guys, I also want to give a shout out to Melanie Thompson from the Melanie Thompson's channel. Marlene from the Buffalo Chicks. Guys, if you want to see Tuscany decor and tablescape, go and check them out. You will not be disappointed. And when you do get there, I'm using my rooster plates. When you do get there, let them know that Debbie from the Deborah's Cabassa Home Living channel send you. And while you're there, subscribe to their channel. Leave them a comment because there are some great content creators. Well, I want to show you from close. These are my booster plates. And remember, we are to incorporate yellow. And you see, it has yellow. So guys, let's get going and I'll be right back. All right, guys. This is so far what I have come up with. And guys, I'm gonna have a keyword in this video. I still have not mentioned it. I want to see if you are watching my videos to the fullest. I will be mentioning a word saying this is the keyword, but I will not be mentioning it right now. It will be a little bit more towards the end of the video to see if you are actually watching. I'll be right back. Guys, my keyword is grape. So what do you guys think so far? I hope you like it. And let's continue. Remember, it's spring, Tuscany, tablescapes. I just put my arrangement, which they are great ivies. Guys, you guys just see roosters on my plate. So now I will be adding the rest of my center items. I'll be right back, guys. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give you guys a tour from close, then I'm gonna turn on the light. Of course, you guys see the candles on, they're close to the arrangement, but it's okay because guys, these candles are battery operated. So let me bring you guys close and show you what the table looks like. All right, guys, this is what my table looks like, starting with my setting. These placemats that you guys see here, I have them for over 10 years now. I don't know where I got them, but they were not thrifted because I have this for when my children basically were small. Since my daughter was 15 and she's 32 now, so yeah. I don't remember. I think it was Kmart when Kmart was around, or Ames department stores, one of those two. That used to be my favorite stores to go shopping back in those days. All right, guys, starting with my plates. I have my salad plate with this rooster. That's what it says right there. Made in China, I think. Let me get my glasses, guys, because I am blind without them. Yeah, guys, that's what it says, made in China. And on the back, you know how we say rooster? And the back says gallo, which means rooster in Spanish. All right, guys, I'm using, these ones are also thrifted. And these ones are CM Low, made in, wow, Portland. These are made in Portland. And you know how we usually take the napkin and we fold it over the plate and then we put the salad plate? This time I did the napkin over the charger. so it won't take away the view from the plate. And then of course I using my Dollar Tree cutlery. I'm using my goblets, my honeycomb goblets, and I'm using my, you guys can see it looks they are hunter green, but I don't know who made these, and I do not know who made these either because they are not marked. All I know, they're very old. All right, guys, I incorporate yellow with a garland that I have of flowers. I went all the way around in a zigzag pattern. I use my grapes, um, which everything, guys, believe it or not, everything in this table is thrifted except the candles and the chargers and the napkins and this, and of course my placemat. But everything else is thrifted, guys. Everything. So don't sleep on the thrift store. You can make a beautiful tablescape with thrifted items. And this I also thrifted a long time ago. I don't know who makes it. It's not marked as well. All right, guys, let me show you guys from the top. And remember to mention the keyword. And let's go this way, guys. I'm using my grape, um, grape oil and vinegar. It's supposed to be oil and vinegar, but they're so huge. So I don't know. That must be a big family, guys. So of course, as you guys can see, all the settings are basically the same. But yeah, guys, this is my Tuscany country combined style tablescape. I hope you like it. Um, yeah, guys, you guys can see how big they are. And these ones are thrifted a long time ago. I also do not know who made them because they are not marked. So yeah, guys. Um, what do you guys think? Did I nailed it? I incorporated yellow, but I think I did a good job. I have never done a Tuscany, never done a Tuscany tablescape, even though I'm married to an Italian, but hey, that tells you right there. But guys, I'm gonna leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. And if you want me to do a collaboration with you, just hit me up on Instagram or email me. All my info is on my community tab and in my channel on my bio. Okay? Bye bye, guys. Remember, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. Bye bye.